Welcome students of class KG Pine. So everyone is ready and Shishobhan is having such a nice smile. It's looking so sweet. Very nice. Okay, Afreen is also sitting so nicely. Okay. So first of all, students, I think due to the operation of cameras, many of the students are unable to see us properly. So all of you please turn off your cameras. Okay. Please, I would request parents to please turn off the cameras. Okay. All of you please turn off the cameras. Off. Camera guno bondho kore dao. Please turn off the cameras, students. Okay. Okay. So students, as in your maths class also ma'am told, now I am even telling you that this is a festive season, right? We are going to celebrate Durga Puja, we are going to celebrate Diwali, Kali Puja, and many festive seasons are there. Even we have celebrated Eid and everything. So festive season is there, and there are lots of schedule you have made ready. So this time we will restrict ourselves little bit, okay? Because every year Durga Puja is coming, every year Diwali is coming, every year Eid is coming, every year Christmas is coming, but this time it's little bit a tough time, right? Little bit safety is more needed. So I will first tell you that if not needed, don't go out of your house. Celebrate your festivals within your house with your family. Have tasty food, homemade food, different types of tasty food. Okay, you can see, you can do pendle hopping on television, digital pendle hopping, like we are doing online classes. In the same way, we can do digital hopping also, pendle hoppings, right? Exactly. So, and if needed, if only needed, you can go out, but with three things. That is, what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? It's S M S. It's SMS. And now what is this SMS? SMS is not that one as you are thinking. The message we receive on our, yes, the message we receive on our cell phones. It's sanitizer, mask, and social distancing. Yes, exactly. Sanitizer, mask, and social distancing. So we are going to wear a mask, and we are going to maintain social distancing, that is exactly physical distance of 6 feet among two people. Okay, so if you are going out, you will just take one sanitizer, you will wear proper mask, and then after you will maintain social distance, that is distance between two people. Yes, distance between two people. Shomrik, don't cry for this one because this is a good safety. You should wear your mask like this. Okay, I am just showing you. You will wear your mask. Your nose should be covered properly, your mouth should be covered properly, totally it should be covered, and then after you will use, if nearby water and soap is not available, then you will use sanitizer. Okay, so at that time you will use sanitizer. Just rub it properly like this in middle of your fingers. You will just do in middle of the fingers also, okay, and rub it properly, and if possible wash your hands with soap. As soon as you are coming back to home, wash your hands, wash your legs, wash your, if possible take bath with soap properly. And if possible, don't move out of your house, because your schools are off, your if playing is off, your tuitions are off, just because why your deboarding is off, just because of your safety, so that you can be safe at home. So if just because of this celebration and festive season, if you are coming out, then that means you are taking risk with your health. So students, please don't take risk with your hands. You are the champions, right? So I am giving responsibility to all the little champions of the family. I just take out the mask so that you can listen me properly. I am just giving the responsibility to the little champions. Very good, Ritika. I am coming to the subject. Okay, I am coming to the subject. First of all, let us discuss with this part. So, I am just giving the responsibility to the champions of the family. You will take care that you as well as any of your family member is not going out without sanitizer, without mask, and those who are not following social distance, tell them to follow social distance. Okay? Okay? Very nice. So, now let us come to our subject back, and done. Come to our subject back, and here we will start with our English class. So, all my junior champions are ready to take care of these safety rules and regulations. Are you ready to take care of the safety rules and regulations? Yes or no? Fast, fast, fast. Yes or no? Yes. Everyone is ready. Yes. All my students know very nicely. Very good. Very good. So, okay. We will celebrate but safely, and we will take care of our health as well as we will take care of our family members' health. Okay? Very good. So, students, let us come back to our lesson 26, English, and we were going with the chapter, The Monkey and the Clown. So, today I am going to teach you some question answers. We will write 4 question answers regarding this chapter, and you will write along with me. So, take your copies, pencil and eraser, and let us start writing. Shishobhan, all of you please turn off the cameras. Please turn off the cameras. So, question number 1. You will write the date. You will write the topic. So, the question is, who is thin? So, I am getting lots of answers. That is, monkey is thin, right? So, we will not write the answer in one word. We will write the answer in sentence. So, here comes, the monkey is thin. The monkey is thin. Here comes the second question. Who is fat? Who is fat? So here comes the second question, and the first letter of the sentence will start with capital. It will end with full stop. Yes, very good. It's not crown, it's clown. Nandini, it's clown. C-L-O-W. Okay. The clown is fat. Who is fat? The clown is fat. Very good. Very good, Nandini. Come on. Next, question number 3. Who climbed the tree? So here comes the answer. The monkey and the clown climbed the tree. Yes, the monkey and the clown climbed the tree or climbed up the tree. Okay. Very nice. Everyone has completed question number 1. Everyone has completed question number 1. Okay, Arju is telling yes. And Nandini is also telling yes. Shushaban also yes. Okay, then I am just rubbing question number 1 and I am writing question number 4. Who jumped first? Who jumped first? Anyone? Who jumped first? So the answer is the monkey jumped first. The monkey jumped first. Okay. So, who is fat? The clown is fat. Who climbed the tree? The monkey and the clown climbed the tree. And who jumped first? The monkey jumped first. Okay. Come on, all of you, write down. Very good, Shamrik. Very good. And even Ankita has completed. Ankita, you have completed. Okay, write down. Come on, write down. Very good. So students, okay, Nandini has completed. Very good. Okay, very nice. Meenakshi has completed. Trishita is writing. Ankita, please write down. Okay. So students, this video will also be uploaded on YouTube. If you have not finished, you can finish this part from there also. Okay. So don't worry if you have not completed. There is nothing to be worried. This will be uploaded on YouTube and you can complete your writing from that part. Very good, Ritika. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, very good, Shishobhan. So those who have still not completed, please complete your video from there. Task from the video. And I will be back again with your science class. Bye-bye. Ma'am.